Looking for the perfect roasted radishes recipe? Well, in this video, I bring you the step-by-step directions on perfecting radishes in the oven. And guess what, gang? This is our perfect potato replacer on keto. Let's go. Well, hey gang, I'm Shelly. I'm a keto and anti-inflammatory dietitian, clinic owner, busy mom of two, penny pincher. I am super passionate about bringing the keto, low-carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle to individuals, moms, and entrepreneurs without busting your time, budget, or waistline while keeping your family happy and healthy. And welcome to the KLA Kitchen, the keto, low-carb, and anti-inflammatory kitchen. And in this channel, I bring you awesome recipes, money-saving tips, product reviews that's gonna help you lose weight, decrease your blood sugars, eliminate pain, decrease migraines, balance hormones, all the above. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. This is our potato replacer. One more time, our potato replacer. About 1 cup of our roasted radishes has about 3.9 grams of carbs. Let's go on. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Simple ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of our olive oil. We have a teaspoon of our Redmond sea salt. We have some cracked pepper. And then in our bowl here, we already have washed and have our radishes. Now, gang, what we wanna remember, our radishes, again, super low carb veggie. They're super cheap, so it's, it's a win-win. Come on, gang, it is a super win-win. I want to take a second and talk about the importance of the Redmond real salt. It's super wonderful on our keto and our anti-inflammatory plans. And what's great about it is because it has such an amazing, robust flavor that we don't need a lot. So a lot of times in our recipes, we may have some that we love from grandma. And if it calls for a tablespoon of salt, we can definitely split that in half. The great thing also about our Redmond sea salt is that it's available at most of our supermarkets. Of course, you can click links in the description box, but such a great find. I love black pepper on this, but please remember, some of us with anti-inflammatory issues may need to shy away from the pepper.
Touchdown!
Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dive into this keto dish.
Oh, hot, 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 hot! Hot, 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 hot!
These are amazing. Because we cooked them for 30 to 40 minutes, they really soften. My fork went right into it. The taste is amazing. We're getting the olive oil, a little bit of that Redmond salt. This is an official tongs drop. Well, gang, if you want a copy of this recipe, be sure to scroll in the description box, click the link, and the recipe will be delivered to your inbox. And now I'm sure that you know someone who is following a keto lifestyle. Be sure to tag them in this video, share it on your socials, and if you love this video, give it a like. And I promise, gang, that you are gonna wanna watch these videos right here. This is my list of my favorite keto vegetables and includes some that you wanna kick to the curb right now. Well, gang, I'm Shelly from the KLA Kitchen. I send you a farewell. Much love, gang. Mm.